Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Irish potato soup. Start by prepping all ingredients and setting a medium pot on the stove. Melt butter and gently sweat onion and celery until translucent, then add diced potatoes and stock. Simmer until potatoes are tender, then mash some for body and blend for silkiness. Finish with milk, seasoning, and a final warm stir before serving with fresh herbs. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, not a boil, to keep flavors bright and texture smooth. Cook potatoes properly until easily pierced, which prevents grainy soup. Mash or blend most potatoes, leaving some chunks for pleasant bite and contrast. Return everything to the pot, stir in warm milk or cream, and adjust salt and pepper carefully. Finish with parsley or chives for a fresh, inviting finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: grab the new Kindle Paperwhite to read recipe notes and cookbooks anywhere without a greasy screen. It fits right on a counter or shelf. I linked it and other deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Ladle the soup into warm bowls and add your preferred toppings like crispy bacon, chives, or grated cheddar. Offer bread on the side to soak up the creamy broth for a satisfying meal. For a lighter version, use low-fat milk and more stock, or for a richer bowl, stir in a knob of butter or a splash of cream. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving immediately for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.